Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question factor influencing or affecting on SN1 SN2 reactions. It means yesterday we finished the mechanism of SN1 SN2 reaction. It's a silent feature also. But today we discuss here the which factor are affecting on SN1 reaction. It means which favorable condition to which SN1 SN2 reaction are carry on. Okay? Okay. So first of all we take here the which factor. It means the different types of factor which are affecting or influencing of SN1 SN2 reaction. So we take the one by one here. ये क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है 3 मार्क्स के लिए 2 मार्क्स के लिए, ठीक है. ओके, सिंपल फैक्टर है, थ्योरेटिकली आपको समझना है. ओके, नाउ वी टेक द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, नेचर ऑफ सबस्ट्रेट. Substrate is also called as reactant. Okay, it means which substrate or reactant are used in SN1 SN2 reaction. Clear? Because you know the SN mechanism or reaction, it have two different reaction type, SN1 SN2 reaction. So in SN1 reaction, which reactant substrate are used, and in SN2 reaction which substrate are used, we take here. So first of all, the nature of substrate is the first point. It's a factor influencing of SN1 and SN2 reaction. So nature of substrate means if we take the two types SN1 and SN2. So in a SN2 reaction, there is a substrate are very favorable or very favored as primary alkyl halide or methyl bromide. It means in SN2 reaction, the primary alkyl halide or methyl bromide are very favored for the SN2 reactions. You know SN2 reaction is a how many step reaction? One step mechanism, and it's a carry on only one step formation. And this called as the formation of pentacarbonate TS. In SN2 reaction, only one TS form. This TS are act as pentacarbonate. It means it have the 5 different bond. This called as a pentacarbonate. Okay? इसमें इतने लिखने पड़े आपको. क्या लिखना है आपको इसमें पॉइंट? In SN2 reaction, there is a primary alkyl halide or methyl bromide are very favorable as does not a tertiary or secondary alkyl halides. And in the SN2 reaction, the formation of a pentacarbonate TS. TS means transition state. Clear? Okay. Now the B topic you take here. A is SN2 reaction. B is what here? SN1 reaction. Okay. So B take the SN1 reaction. In the SN1 reaction, there is a first of all it is two-step mechanism. First is Soulers step, second is fast step. So in a SN1 reaction, the favorable substrate or reactant are tertiary alkyl halide or tertiary methyl bromide are very preferable or very favorite for the SN1 reactions. In SN1 reaction, the first step the formation of carbocation. What is carbocation? Carbocation means any carbon atom which contain a positive charge called as a carbocation. The carbocation is an unstable compound or highly reactive compound. Now, if you stabilize or balance the unstable carbocation, so it two way, दो अलग अलग वे है इसके बेटा. तो जो हम लोग कार्बोकेटायन जो प्लेनर है उसको हम लोग बैलेंस कर सकते हैं और स्टेबलाइज करते हैं. तो the first way is to added a nucleophile. It means OH negative ion to both front side as well as back side. You know the carbocation which it have the carbon species contain plus charge and two different position to which OH are attached. First called as front side and second is called as back side. तो पहले तरीका क्या है बेटा, अगर हम कार्बोकेटायन को स्टेबलाइज करना है तो हम लोग कैसे स्टेबलाइज करेंगे? हम लोग वी एडेड अ न्यूक्लियोफाइल ऑन फ्रंट साइड और बैक साइड. Now, secondly, carbocation stabilize or balance by plus I effect and hyperconjugation effect. What is plus I effect? The plus I means inductive effect. What effect? Inductive effect. What is inductive effect? The effect in which the species electron donate to another species called as electron donating effect or inductive effect, or short form plus I effect. Second C में and hyperconjugation effect. What is hyperconjugation? The hyperconjugation means the formation of bond between the carbon hydrogen. This bond may be sigma bond or pi bond by what? By sharing of electron, called as hyperconjugation. So two way to which the carbocation in a SN1 reaction is stabilized. First, uptaking of nucleophile both front side as well as back side, and second, what? Carbocation stabilized by plus I effect and hyperconjugation effect. Now, how to balance the carbocation by plus I effect and hyperconjugation effect? We take an example. So here this is the carbocation plus charge. Now this carbocation are balanced stabilized by adding a methyl group, because in a plus I effect the methyl group means CH3. The CH3 group means methyl group are act as a electron donating group as well as nucleophile. The CH3 group are electron donating group. It are act as plus I effect in nature, because the CH3 is the example of plus I effect, electron donating group. So in this carbocation, this one hydrogen is replaced by CH3. It is called as CH3, and this symbol indicates this CH3 are act as electron donating effect or plus I effect. This symbol indicates this carbon donate the electron toward this carbon plus charge. Same here, this hydrogen are what? Will be removed by another CH3. It is also act as electron donating group. And third, this H also replace. So what we get here? So we get this types of this. It means the 3 hydrogen of carbocation are stabilized by 3 methyl groups. These 3 methyl group are act as, this symbol are act as electron donating group toward the carbon. So with the help of this structure, we say that this CH3, these 3 CH3 are stabilized by the plus I effect. And it means these CH3 are these 3 CH3 are act as the electron donating group, and that's why due to this electron donating group of this 3 CH3, the carbon are stabilized to change the plus charge into neutral charge, because it's stable in nature. Clear? Second is there hyperconjugation effect. It means the formation of bond in between their what? Carbon, this carbon or carbon hydrogen by what? Sharing of electron. This may be sigma bond or pi bond. It is called as the hyperconjugation. This is alpha carbon, it's also alpha carbon, it's also alpha carbon. ठीक है? क्लियर? सो इस तरीके से अगर क्वेश्चन आपको आता है, अगर 2 मार्क्स के लिए आया कि राइट ए शॉर्ट नोट ऑन नेचर ऑफ सबस्ट्रेट यूज इन SN1 SN2 रिएक्शन, तो आपको इतना ही देना है. बुक में आपको बहुत सारा दिया हुआ है, लेकिन जो मेन जो टॉपिक है वो आपको इतना लिखना है उसमें क्वेश्चन. और जब भी आप नोट्स बनाओगे क्वेश्चन की, फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग और इन्फ्लुएंसिंग आल्सो कॉल्ड एज फैक्टर अफेक्टिंग, इन्फ्लुएंसिंग इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? अफेक्टिंग ऑन SN1 SN2 रिएक्शन. तो तब आपको यही नोट्स प्रिपेयर करने. बुक में बहुत लेंथी दिया हुआ है, जो मेन जो टॉपिक है वो आपको ही राइट करना है इसमें. ठीक है? पॉइंट नंबर सेकंड, व्हाट हियर? द न्यूक्लियोफिलिसिटी ऑफ अ रिएजेंट. इट मींस which nucleophile of a reagent. It means which nucleophile are used in the what here? SN1 SN2 reaction. First of all, what is nucleophile? Nucleophile is a electron donating group. The nucleophile is a electron donating group which have a negative charge, and these nucleophile are donate the electron toward those sites which have the electron deficient in nature of substance. यानी ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप वाला आइटम होता है, और वो जगह पर वो साइट पे इलेक्ट्रॉन देता है जहां पर इलेक्ट्रॉन की डिफिशियंसी होती है, उसे बोलते हैं न्यूक्लियोफाइल. न्यूक्लियोफाइल इज आल्सो एक्ट एज लेविस बेस. इज आल्सो एक्ट एज व्हाट हियर? लेविस बेस. क्लियर? ये याद रखना है आपको. ठीक है? सो विच न्यूक्लियोफाइल आर यूज्ड इन SN1 रिएक्शन and which nucleophile are used in SN2 reaction we take here. ठीक है? Okay. So in SN1 reaction the strong nucleophile are very variable. It means in a SN1 reaction there is a strong nucleophile are used or very variable to the SN1 reactions. क्लियर है? ओके, इतना ही लिखना है इसमें. ठीक है. पॉइंट नंबर बी, in SN1 reaction the weak nucleophile are very variable. It means in SN1 reaction, in SN2 reaction strong nucleophile are used or variable, and in SN1 reaction the weak nucleophile are variable. Clear है? Okay. What is nucleophile? A species